My name is Logan Picket, and my question is whether employers should use social media pages to decide on an employee. I feel like it's a very debatable topic. I'm not sure exactly where I stand on it right now. I can see both sides of it. I can see it as the one side of being the employer to want to get a little bit to know your employee better, to kind of see what their life is like outside of work, how they hold themselves, how they communicate, and how they interact with family and friends. But on the other side, you have, like, if I'm the, for me personally, like, I don't put anything on social media that I wouldn't want an employer or my family to see. So I don't think it's too much of an inhibitor on me, but I know there are some people that act very differently at work and outside of work. So I think it could help decide, but to what point is it getting into prying into, not all people act the same as they do in work as outside of work. So if it comes down to, that's what their decision is based on, is whether or not you hold yourself decent in social media pages. I don't think that should be allowed, but some foresight into see what you are like outside of work could be useful. So in conclusion, I would go with that employers should not decide on employees through social media, because what people broadcast on social media doesn't have a direct impact on their work, and so I think it could. It's just not a relevant area for them to look into. Any questions?
So do you think that it should depend, do you think that there's exceptions for certain jobs? So if you see a girl, she's, crazy partier, and then she wants to be your sales representative, she has to go on trips and dinners and stuff, or she'll be drinking with the customers and stuff. Do you think that would be an excuse to use her Facebook page to see if she's a wild and crazy, gonna blow your reputation kind of?
Yeah, I mean that's one of the hard ones. I don't know where. I guess it like you said, it depends on the job. So I think that job would make more sense to look into the social media, but I don't think it's the same for every job.
Thanks.